In this video tutorial, we're going to be talking about what is the circumference of a circle and also using an example to apply the formulas. So let's go ahead and discuss what's the definition of a circumference. So the circumference of a circle represents the distance around the edge of the circle. So here we have a picture of a circle, and so the distance going all the way around your circle is represented by the circumference. Now there are two formulas that we'll be using. We can use circumference equals 2 times pi times radius, or we can use circumference equals pi times diameter. Two common values you will be using for pi will be 3.14 or the fraction 22 divided by 7. Let's take a look at one of our examples. So in this question, we'll be doing it in 3 different ways since some textbooks ask you to use different values of pi, and then also sometimes some textbooks will ask you to leave the answer in terms of pi. So the information that we have is a circle with a diameter of 70 inches. So if we're going to use the first formula, circumference equals pi, 3.14, times the diameter. So we have the length of the diameter, so just plug it into your formula, grab a calculator, and you'll get that the circumference is 219.8 inches. Don't forget to label. Another formula that we could be using for pi is 22/7. So by using that fraction, you can cross-cancel the 7 and the 70, and that will get you 220 inches. Last but not least, some textbooks will ask you to leave the answer in terms of pi. So that means do not replace 3.14 or the fraction 22/7 for pi. Just leave it as if it's a variable. We do know your diameter, and anytime a number is being multiplied by a variable, you would put that number in front. So your circumference is 70 pi inches.